Making statement shoes with 3D printing sounds groundbreaking, until commercial markets complicate the dream. Sky-high costs. Turning unique designs into scalable products often drives up production expenses, leaving affordability as an afterthought. Material challenges. Striking the balance between durability and intricate aesthetics remains a frustrating limitation for mass production. Manufacturing speed. Producing bold, custom designs at scale is painfully slow, making it nearly impossible to meet market demand. When bold ideas meet commercial reality, challenges arise. Explore the future of statement footwear at 3dshoes.com.